Brussels has threatened to launch legal action against Hungary if the Hungarian Parliament approves constitutional changes that critics say will limit citizens' freedoms. The Hungarian Parliament, which is controlled by the ruling centre-right party Fidesz, is set to vote on the amendments on Monday. The changes could affect higher education, electoral law and family law.
Our job is to make sure that EU law that member states have themselves signed up to is complied with, and of course we have legal instruments at our disposal to make sure that is the case. I'm notably referring to our infringement proceedings, and of course we will not hesitate to use all the instruments that we have at our disposal to make sure that member states comply with their legal obligations, because that is the way that the EU works. It's based on the rule of law.
Thousands of Hungarians went on the streets of Budapest on Saturday to protest against what they see as a move to undermine the rule of law in the country. In a phone call to Mr. Orban on Friday, European Commission's President José Manuel Barroso expressed his concerns over the new amendments and urged the Hungarian Premier to respect the Union's democratic values.
Prime Minister Orban did reassure the President that Hungary and his government are fully committed to EU values and EU law. So in that sense, indeed, these reassurances are reflected in the letter that indeed the President received also late Friday evening, having himself followed up on the conversation with Prime Minister Orban.
Earlier this week, the Council of Europe, which is the EU's human rights watchdog, urged Budapest to postpone the vote, but the Hungarian authorities rejected the request. Orban's political party came to power in 2010. The country has been surrounded by controversy since then.